Hey guys, and welcome to the first episode of Black Mesa. You're here with Russell, and let's get started. Okay guys, here we are. What's this? Newspaper. So I'm just gonna do the tutorial, or I'll skip it. It depends what I'm feeling. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I'm cold. Oh god, I'm so excited to play this.
Good morning, and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System.
I love you. You're very pretty.
This automated train is provided for the security and convenience of the Black Mesa Research Facility personnel.
Yeah, okay.
The time is 8:47 a.m.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, hello.
Current topside temperature is 93 degrees, with an estimated high of 105.
Look at all those scientists. Oh, they're looking at me.
The Black Mesa compound is maintained at a pleasant 68 degrees at all times.
Okay, tell me more. I'm interested. Okay, fine. I like this already. It's really cool. Push me. So I don't really have to talk. I'll talk anyway. Oh, there you go. Hello. Hello. Hi.
This train is inbound from Level 3 dormitories to Sector C test labs and control facilities.
Hi. Hello.
If your intended destination is a high security area beyond Sector C, you will need to return to the Central Transit Hub in Area 9 and board a high security train. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the retinal clearance system, you must report to Black Mesa personnel for processing before you will be permitted into the high security branch of the transit system.
I thought they said rectal, not retinal. Retinal means eyes, by the way. Just in case you guys didn't know that. Woo! Rectal means arse. Hi!
Due to high toxicity of material routinely handled in the Black Mesa compound, no smoking, eating, or drinking are permitted within the Black Mesa transit system.
Wow. Why do I have no feet? My floating head. Is that why everyone wants to make me back there? Hi, cactus. Birdie. Let's just sit down.
Please keep your limbs inside the train at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers are to remain seated and await further instruction. If it is necessary to exit the train, disabled personnel should be evacuated first. Please stay away from electrified rails and proceed to an emergency station until assistance arrives.
Priority seat for people who are disabled, pregnant, or less able to stand. Doesn't say any different from the other ones, it's just like a special bullet. Uh-oh. Oh, we're gonna get eaten by the giant vagina. Help me! Hey, Barney! Barney! Help me! Oh, thank God. Open door. Hold on. Thanks, Barney. Love you too, Barney. See you, mate. Oh. Bunny! Bunny, look at me! Oh, you don't love me, Bunny! Oh. Okay, let's go. Let me just jump. Oh, gonna take a while. There you go.
A reminder that the Black Mesa Hazard Course Decathlon will commence this evening at 1900 hours in the Level 3 facility.
Okay.
The semifinals for high security personnel
That's
will be
7
announced
o'clock?
in a separate secure broadcast transmission. Remember, more lives than yours may depend on your fitness.
Oh, look at that laser. You wanna look at that laser? You wanna look at that laser?
Do you have a friend or relative who would make a valuable addition to the Black Mesa team? Immediate openings are available in the areas of materials handling and clearance security. Please contact Black Mesa personnel for further information. If you have an associate with a background in the areas of physics, biotechnology, or other high-tech disciplines, please contact our civilian recruiting team. The Black Mesa facility is an equal opportunity employer.
Jump on it, let's jump on it. I like talking. Bye, buddy. And jump. I'm gonna get eaten.
A reminder to all Black Mesa personnel. Regular radiation and biohazard screenings are a requirement of continued employment in the Black Mesa Research Facility. Missing a scheduled urinalysis or radiation checkup is grounds for immediate termination. If you feel you have been exposed to radioactive or other hazardous materials in the course of your duties, contact your radiation safety officer immediately. Work safe. Work smart. Your future depends on it.
Well, there's like no more. Why are they panicking? Finally, we're here, I think.
Now arriving at
Sector
C test labs and control facilities.
Hi! Hello, I love you! Come, open the door. Open. Hi! Hi! Let's go! Hey! Hi! Hey! Hey! Hi, friend! Hi! Hi! Open. Fucking door. Open the fucking door.
Morning, Mr. Freeman.
Morning.
Looks like you're running late.
Yep. Hi, friend.
You know, Barney's been pretty scarce around these parts. Guess his bar tab must have finally caught up with him.
Barney, he's a druggo. Okay. Thank you for that, Sam. Love you.
Put some pep in that step, Freeman. You're late enough as it is.
Hi.
Aw, man, you cut the ponytail.
What?
Sell out.
What? If I cut my ponytail, you should probably cut your dosage of weed. You said something with it. Oh, hi! Hi!
Hey, Mr. Freeman.
Oh, hello.
I had a bunch of
Gordon.
messages for you, but we had a system crash about
Excuse me,
I don't
Gordon,
know,
but I'm
20
rather
minutes
busy
ago,
now.
and I'm still trying to
Oh,
find my
you busy?
files.
So you don't want this book?
Just one of those days, I guess.
Parcel it away.
They were
You know,
also having
I
some
don't think I've ever
problems
seen
down
you
in the
actually
test
perform
chamber,
any
too,
work
but
at all.
I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make
Control
sure you
yourself,
headed down
Gordon.
there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Oh, what's this?
Get away from there, Freeman. I'm expecting an important message.
Fuck you.
Gordon, don't touch that.
Okay.
Go use another computer. Hands off, Buster. I'm expecting a message any minute.
Study book.
Don't you think you should calculate those resonance dampening factors again?
Oh, Ben.
Quit looking over my shoulder. You're making me
What
uncomfortable.
are you doing still
Hey, it's
running
happening.
around up
Cut it
here?
out.
What the hell is going on up there?
My horoscope was correct.
Someone pull this fire alarm or something.
Come on, Gordon. What are you trying to do? Get me into trouble?
Bartok.
Yep, bye.
Bartok, come in.
Yeah, I'm here.
What the hell's going on up there?
Lol. Got him in trouble, got him in trouble, got him in
Good
trouble.
morning, Dr. Freeman.
Understood.
Those Those TPS reports have gotten
And loading
progressively
screen.
worse. Hard to find
Oh, no.
You're living in the past. That experiment is single-handedly responsible for inspiring my career in science.
Those guys are arguing. I'm the hello.
This is going to have to wait, Gordon.
I'm more important than you, so suck my dick. Okay, cool. Let me in.
Hold it right there, Mr. Freeman. I got explicit orders not to let you through without your hazard suit on.
Ugh, so I have to go all the way back. Take this with me. Yes.
But here's something to think about for the next time.
Oh, what's in here?
Morning, champ.
Hello? Keep your busy little hands to yourself, Freeman.
That's for not calling me champ.
I never.
Another day, another dollar.
Yeah. What that means? Ooh, can I wear this? French fries. Oh, good.
They're serving Salisbury surprise in the cafeteria.
Okay, I'm taking
Again.
a cup of coffee. That won't spill.
Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties?
No, you should probably ask someone.
Drat. No toilet paper.
Is this an achievement?
Oh, thank heavens. I'm in dire need of some toilet paper.
That's cool.
Just a minute.
I'll take whatever this is. Ooh. Oh, my hand. I'm dying, my man. Oh.